Hey guys, I finally got the Crypto.com Jade Green debit card. We talked about,
Nice.
yeah, I've been waiting for this for almost 2 months. I got it, and we're going to tell you about this card and what are the benefits about getting this card. It's free, by the way. It's free. There's no cost involved. Um, what you have to do is you have to go to crypto.com. There is a site, it's an exchange, just like Coinbase. We talked about Coinbase exchange before, and how do you invest in cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. And there are like 400 to 500 exchanges in cryptocurrencies worldwide, right? The Coinbase is the one that is approved. Like in US, it's like not everything is available because all those exchanges are available worldwide and from different countries. Only some exchanges are based out of US or approved in US, right? Including the crypto.com. Crypto.com is another exchange. There you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And same thing with Coinbase Pro, and Kraken is another one, Qcoin, and Binance US, and there are multiple other ones. But these are some of the major ones, right? Anyway, those are the exchanges. But this card, the green card, the Jade Green debit card I'm talking about is it's from Crypto.com. Let me tell you why I got this card and what are the benefits to it. I actually got $50 free cryptocurrencies comes with along with it. It's free once you get approved, right? Once you apply for it. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you the walk through that steps, what I did and how I got this card, right? So let's see. Let's see this in action. Can you see my screen?
Yep, yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So what you guys have to do is go to crypto.com, and what we are doing in this case is it's something called staking. S-T-A-K-I-N-G, staking, right? Staking is basically you're putting the money. Just a second. Okay. So let me share the screen. Somehow we lost this share screen, guys. I'm going to reshare this again. Okay. Let me know. Randy, can you see me?
I can see it. Yep.
Oh, okay. So we were talking about crypto.com site where you can invest on the cryptocurrencies, right? And you get $50 free cryptocurrencies investing. It's called staking. It's just like a savings account, right? If you think like you're putting this, you're investing on something like this different cryptocurrencies. But if staking means like what do they do is savings. It's like a fixed deposit, right? 6 months fixed deposit. That is what you needed on this coin, crypto.com coins. It's called CRO coin, CRO. It's powered by CRO. This is their own coin. And if you put 10,000 CROs for 6 months, if you put invest on 10,000 CROs for 6 months, you would get this card. You would get this the card that I showed you, right? Green, Jade Green. But I'll show you which there are multiple cards there. The one that I got is the green card here. Look at the Jade Green.
I have a quick question, Venkat.
Yeah.
So are we talking about like crypto.com? You open up an account that's free, is that right?
Yeah, it's free.
Okay.
You can open up an account and you have to do a KYC, just know your customer stuff and
Right.
provide all the IDs and stuff. And yeah, you get the account. Then you can apply for one of these cards.
So you can only apply when you put $10,000 though, right?
Not $10,000.
Okay.
It's 10,000 CROs. I'll show you like.
Okay. So
So
that was my question. Like, what's the minimum?
$10,000 is too much,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that was like 10,000.
So one CRO is 15 cents only right now.
Okay.
So let's say right now it's 15 cents. It's actually a very low price. One CRO is only 15 cents. It's going to cost you $1,500, $1,500 to invest on 10,000 CRO. But what happens is you are going to get 16% interest, 16% on this, right? So, let me open up
Can I
this.
ask you a quick question? Sorry,
Sure,
I'm
yeah.
so interested in this. I'm just asking questions like you all, like whoever is viewing this. So let's say
Right.
I have 15,000 rupees and I put it in here. That's 10,000.
1500, 1500.
Yeah, $1,500, right? And
Mm-hmm.
so that's 10,000 CROs. I get the card. So basically I have $1,500, $1,500. And based on that, I get 16% interest income on that.
Right, you would get around $250, but it's not only $250. Let's say this 15 cents become 30 cents in 6 months, right? Let's say, right? So you would actually have $3,000.
Right.
Right. On top of that, you would get 1,600 CRO, right? 1,600. Say it become 30 cents, right? 1,600 times 30, you would get almost $500 more. Like you would get $3,500.
And so this is like, so again, we had an episode about crypto investing. So this is about investing, right?
Right.
And this is too good to be true. That's why I'm asking this. So $1,500, you get
Yeah.
$250 per, I would say, per year. Like, what's the 16%?
Yeah, within 6 months you would get that. Like, it's actually only for 6 months you're going to be staking. That is the minimum requirement, right?
Okay.
You have to put that the $1,500 in that coin for 6 months. Then you would get 16% staking rewards. That comes as a CRO token, not as a dollar, right? So 16% of this thing. On top of that, you get free Netflix. Like you're paying $12.99 or something a month, right?
Yeah, $12.99, I think.
You get 100% back. But you have to charge it to this card. That way, you get that back. You get that back. So it's free. Netflix, free Spotify, and then you can even use it in the ATM and stuff like that. Yeah, so basically those are the requirements. And then so if you get this card, for example, you have a lot of money, and then you get even the Prime membership free 100%. Like you pay $120 something a year, right? So that's also free. Netflix is free, Spotify is free, and then you get 5% back on the spending, like if you spend.
And I'm interested in that 1,000 CRO and free. What are those? Can we talk about a
Yeah,
little bit
this
about those?
one is a very basic. This is totally basic card. Like you don't need to even put any money. Once you open an account with the crypto.com, you can apply for this card. You get it right free. There's no CRO involved.
And what is the, so let's talk about the CRO card you got, Venkat. What are the advantages of that and how do you use it?
Right. So I have Spotify account. I have Netflix account, right? So I actually charge. I put this card to charge it, right, in the Netflix. Right after I got it, I activated it. I put this card in my Netflix in my Spotify account. So what I would get reimbursed. So what will happen is like I'm paying $12.99 to the Netflix, right? And then this card will pay me $12.99 worth of CRO right here in my account back.
Okay.
So $12.99 is just a second. Let me tell you. $12.99 is almost 87 CROs, right? Okay. So it'll put 87 CRO every month here in my account back.
It'll reimburse. So it's gonna put 87 CROs back.
But as a CRO, not as a dollar. As a CRO, okay. And CRO can go up or down, but if it goes up, like let's say 5 times or 10 times, you are going to even get more benefit, like 86 CROs, and if it becomes dollar, right, it's $86.
And after 6 months, you said you put, let's say 1,500 6 months, and you get 16% back. So let's say
that comes every week though. Every week, actually, every week I'm getting 30 to 32 CROs free. Like keep on adding to my account.
So you mean after 6 months or?
No. Like as soon as you put in there every week, they're going to give you, weekly. that 16% of that money, right? It's around 30. I think it's approximately every week is 30, 30, 30, 30, or 31.
Okay, let me get this straight. So I pay 1,500, and that's 10,000 CROs, right?
Right.
And I do that today. And next, let's say we are doing this on a Saturday, and next Saturday, I will have. You said how many CROs added to my account?
30 CR was 30. Actually, it's around 32. I think 32 times 15 cents.
All right,
It's about $5.
that's not bad.
Yeah, it's so, but it's with only $15 you put in every week. You are getting $5. So,
And so after 6 months, are there going to be any changes, or it's going to?
no, after 6 months, you don't need to keep that $1,500. You can spend it. You can keep it if you want.
And if you keep it,
And if you keep it, that 16% is not going to be 16%. It'll be reduced.
it gets reduced.
It gets reduced, and they're coming up with the new rules after that. What happens?
Okay.
Yeah, that's get reduced to something, off or something like that. It's
And
not
just to recap everything, Venkat. So what are the advantages, like 1 to 5? What are the advantages that we can say having a
So one
crypto.com
thing is
account?
that investing in the cryptocurrencies, CRO is going to stay there, right? So you're investing on the cryptocurrency itself. While investing, you are getting the staking rewards. That's the second one, right? You are investing in the cryptocurrencies, you are getting staking rewards of 16%. 16%, I don't think anybody gives of, for any money, right? Say you put $1,500 in your bank now, and then next year you still have it in the checking account. That is still $1,500. But if you do it this way, it would be around $2,500, even more, because you're gaining every month. Whole year for the Netflix it's going to be free. Spotify is free ongoing, right? Even after 6 months, it'll be free. So with this card, and with other cards, there are multiple other ones. But with this card, there is nothing like, only Spotify is free. Not the other ones, right? Not other things free.
Right.
On top of that, you're getting 16% that paid every week, and then the growth potential of that CRO token from 15 cents now could be 25 cents tomorrow. You can sell off that and then make money. You can even buy Bitcoin from, instead of keeping it in CRO, right, in the future.
And
So
what is that first row? 8%, 5%, 3%, 2%?
Yeah, so if you have this block card, right, I think it's the Obsidian block or something they call it. If you have that, you get 8% cash back. You can use it as a debit card, right? As a debit card, you can use it in the restaurant and anywhere, right? You get 8% cash back as a CRO card. In this one, you get as a 3% cash back as a CRO card, CRO token. So you can put more money to it, and then keep spending it, right? There is a limit to it, right? You have a limit, something for the transfer and stuff like that. You have some limit, but if you transfer that money and then just spend it in your regular purchases, you get 3% back. So that's a good thing too.
Okay, so it works like a rewards card, credit card, like, because it talks about cashback and rewards cards, credit card, debit card. It's like all in one kind of deal. That's good.
Right. Yeah, these days the staking is cryptocurrency staking is kind of a hot topic, because even if you put Bitcoin there, they are even giving 10% of the Bitcoin later. It's like a fixed deposit. You have to keep it for 6 months. You can even rent it out, you can actually give out, you have it in one place in one exchange, but you can rent your Bitcoin and you get paid for that. It's just like there's so many things going on, but this is very simple, straightforward one, that we can give you guys for today. But there are other things out there, it's a little bit complicated.
Yeah. Well, this is great. Thank you so much for sharing, and I hope you enjoyed and learned. I, of course, learned something new. Venkat. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we will have more videos like this on the cryptocurrency, guys. If you are looking on the cryptocurrency, we'll have some videos. But our whole channel is about investing and making money and saving money and reproducing more money and for financial independence, right? So it's not only about cryptocurrency. Just if you are interested in all these, wide spectrum of financial educational advice, then come back and visit our channel.
Yeah, great.
Thank you, guys.